I'm Miss Charlotte, and today we're going to do another 60 seconds to accomplish the goal challenge. And so this time, the materials are going to need 2 sticks and some yarn or thread or something that you can wrap around sticks. We're going to be making God's eyes. So if you've been to camp before, you know we love making God's eyes. You want to start the God's eye before we start our timer. And then the goal will be to complete as much of the God's eye as possible. So yeah, you can pause the video, take as much time as you need to start it. It should look something like this. Okay, now that you have your God's eye started, you can get started, and you're just going to make it as big as you can. Ready, set, go! Three, two, one. So this is how much I got in 1 minute, as fast as I could. Looks kind of messy, but
I'm new to God's eyes. This is how much I did it in 1 minute.
I made mine really, really small.
Once you're done the 60 seconds, snap a picture of your God's eye. Then finish out your God's eye, snap another picture, and share them both with us at #MLR@home.